Which amongst the following reactions of alkyl halides produces isonitrile as a major product? This is a NEET previous year question from haloalkanes and haloarenes. So this is regarding the cyanide group, that is C triple bond N. See, this is an ambident nucleophile, that is the bonding can take place along carbon, through carbon or through nitrogen. So if the bonding is through carbon, this is a cyanide or a nitrile, whereas if the bonding is through nitrogen, it is a isonitrile, say RNC. That is what we are asked, which of these will give for form an RNC bond. The first case, Rx plus HCN. HCN will break up into H plus and Cn minus. So here this bond has an ionic nature and carbon is free for bonding. So here you will get only RCN, and carbon prefers to bond with carbon rather than with nitrogen. So that is why here carbon's availability is the reason for the formation of RCN bond. So it is not the case. Now in the case of Rx and AgCN, AgCN does not form an ionic bond, rather it is of a covalent nature. So carbon is not free here. So in that case it forms an isonitrile, or the bonding takes place through nitrogen. The R will bond with N here. So you will get an isonitrile. Whereas in the case of KCN or NaCN, KCN ionic bond, NaCN also ionic bond, you will get only nitriles and not isonitriles. So option B, that is the only correct one, where you will get an isonitrile. Let us look at the answers. Third one, that is B only. That is the correct answer. That is only AgCN. That is because of the covalent nature of the bond between Ag and Cn. Carbon will not be available for bonding, and so bonding takes place through nitrogen, and you will get an isonitrile in this case.